Hi, I'm Molly Suberthorpe. Welcome to my channel where I offer bite-sized tutorials and demonstrations in calligraphy and hand lettering and upload a new video every Friday. Today's video is a really short one because this week I've had to turn my attention to planning a couple upcoming events. I've linked details to them in the description box below if you're interested. So today you can watch me create a flourished border for a calligraphy design that I made on my iPad in Procreate. This utilizes the symmetry drawing guides. Just make sure that you set your guide options to Quadrant with rotational symmetry and assisted drawing turned on. I have two other videos that utilize different symmetry techniques in Procreate, and I've linked those down below for you as well. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you back here next week.